The daily code snippet. Now what if you want to add a particular style to a column? We have a way to target a table data cell, a table header cell, and a table row, but not a column. To do this, we have to introduce some new elements. A column group element and a column element. The column group element groups columns together, while the column element identifies a column. With the styling of columns, we can adjust the border, background width, and visibility. For other properties, you would have to target individual table data or table header elements. The column group element is added right after the table opening tag and will contain the total number of columns in your table by tagging each with a column element, COL, an empty element. So if you add styling to the second column element, you are affecting the second column. Even if you aren't styling a column, you should include a blank column placeholder so that the correct column has the styling applied. Here we are adding the same background color to the first two columns, and the third column has another background color for emphasis. So here we see the column group added right at the top. We have two column elements, not three, even though there are three columns, because one of our column elements has a span attribute to encompass two columns. Both column elements have style embedded in the HTML. The first two columns have a light gray background color, and the final column has a yellow background color. This code will display like this. Presented by Designers Learn Code.